Productions.
Where's the logo on this unit?
It doesn't know.
Is it 2012 3-ton?
Yep. Data's hard to get.
I'm not gonna bother.
I need to put a logo on this one.
13 SEER, 8H
You know
SPF.
what? I could have sworn I put a logo back on it, but apparently I haven't. I'm gonna have to.
Looks
do
like
that.
it's been running. It hasn't rained since this morning, so.
I doubt it. And
There's a Payne over here. There's a heat pump with a broken defrost board.
Yep.
(2004), if I remember correctly.
Yes, it is.
This one looks brand spank. No, I take that back. The compressor's a little bit rusted. It's probably LG. Yeah.
It is.
What year would this be? 2016. I don't know why I thought this was a brand new unit.
Pads upside down. Oh no, it's just corroded.
Erosion. What year is this one?
I wasn't able to see it.
I'll go ahead and get the data. 2003. 1.5 ton.